Today I'll show you how I make just a very simple but classic chicken and noodle dish. I've added about a tablespoon of salt to 12 cups of water in my Dutch oven to boil, and I've chopped up 2 large chicken breasts, a little larger than bite size, and I will cook those until they're done. Now that the chicken's done, I'm going to add 2 more cups of water and bring that to a boil again because I did lose a lot of water in boiling the chicken. Then I'm adding a full 12-ounce pack of noodles, and I'll cook those until tender. I'm mixing together 1/2 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch that I'll add shortly. And this is optional, but I'm adding 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. And I'll just keep cooking that and testing for the doneness of the noodles. And now that the noodles are done, I'm going to add 1 can of cream of chicken soup. I'll mix that well and then continue to cook for a couple more minutes. And then I'll add in the cornstarch and milk mixture, and that's what's going to thicken this more. After adding the milk and cornstarch mixture, I'll cook that just for 2 or 3 more minutes until that thickens up. And then it's done, and it's as simple as that. Very easy and extremely good. I hope you give this a try. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.